Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm at Porta Nolana. Is that right? I'll get it right here in a second, but I'm kind of out here in the middle of nowhere. But so I don't know if you can see it. It's right over there, but it's in the middle of this like sweet flea market or swap meet, or it's a flea market. It's one of those. Anyway, let's go see if we can get a little closer. I'll show you the flea market, swap meet, swee market at the same time. Bye everybody. Okay, so we're crossing this crazy, and I'm going with them, so I figure nobody's gonna hit them. This is called Porta Nolana, and this too was part of the walled city of Naples. And this is the flea market, swap meet, swee market, whatever we're calling it today. And it looks like they've got all sorts of things, shoes, and they never have my size, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know that I'd want to be here at night, but that's not the point. We're here to see Nolana, Porta Nolana. And you can see here that they built houses on top of it, which is pretty crazy. And I mean, even right there's a bedroom right on top of the junction. And maybe it's prettier on the other side, but I'll go take a look. How's that sound? You want to buy some Fila flip-flops? Maybe this is the shoe market. Okay, so this is the Porta Nolana, and now you get a better image. I mean, that looks like a screen to a window, doesn't it? So somebody lives in that thing now. Yeah, certainly interesting, and I guess that's where I'm going. You got to go through the tunnel of love, right? I like the thing right there too. It's kind of interesting, but I just can't get over that people just put houses and condos and buildings right on top of the structure. Pretty amazing. Let me get to the other side, and I'll show you what that looks like. And a dead bird. And yeah, more flea market swap meet kind of things. And I'm really hanging on to my phone tightly, and I can't tell you how much I'm glad that I have a strap on my wrist. Not that anything would happen, I guess, but so this is the other side. Okay, Porta Nolana. Porta, you ain't coming here. No wanna. That's it, Porta Nolana. Okay, bye everybody.